welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time to my channel, my name is Atinuke. So guys, I made this DIY Brazilian wool clippings. The video is already on my channel, you can check that out. But I'm showing you guys the beginning of this video how you can easily maintain the clippings. I kept this clipping inside a nylon bag after I finished making the DIY until I'm ready to do the clippings video for you guys, which I brought out. It was rumple. I was like, let me show you guys how you can maintain it. Easy to maintain. You can use a normal brush. If you don't have this electric brush, you can use a normal brush, brush it out. You are good to go. But if you have this brush, it's a plus for you. Easy to brush, easy to maintain. It came out so soft after I finished brushing it. So guys, watch how I installed these clippings. Very easy to install. You don't need to cornrow, you don't need to braid your hair, which is secure with the tutorial I want to show you guys. And please guys, do not forget to support your baby girl by clicking on the subscribe button, comment now, like. Thank you so much for all the share. Thank you so much for all the support. I really appreciate it. So make sure you relax, keep on watching. Bye.